No, the trial, the pre-trial starts on December 7th of 2022 in Denver at 10 a.m. in the morning. So we haven't even started the trial yet. We're still in the discovery phase. That's where the complaining parties desire to get materials and objects and information for the discovery before the trial starts. So that's what's been happening this last many months. Yes, and that'll be on the 81st anniversary of Pearl Harbor Day in the United States. Yeah, December 7th is when Japan struck Pearl Harbor, Hawaii, and the United States got involved in World War II. And on the 81st anniversary of that is the court date in Denver at the federal courthouse in the United States. No, the opposition's attorneys are gathering information. The court's not. It's the, yeah, the court case will be in December 7th. So that's, it's April now. It's the 4th month. December's the 12th month. So, well, sometimes these trials take a year or two. Yes, we have the right to appeal if we lose the first, if we lose on the first level. Yeah, the next, well, so when in the United States, when you go to a federal court, you can appeal to the Federal Appeal Board. And then if they don't, if they uphold the decision against the person, they can appeal one more time to the Supreme Court of the United States of America, where there's 9 judges that are appointed for life. And that's the final level. Yeah, so if we were ruled, if the court ruled against us for some reason on the initial phase, we have the right to make 2 appeals. Because I'm a citizen in the United States, and they're trying to use the laws here to trademark the name Baha'i and trademark the name Universal House of Justice. So they've been suing us in court and me personally now for 20 years. The first court case was in 2003 or 5. And then we went to the 7th Circuit in the United States and won at the appeal level in 2010. And they had the option to appeal again to the Supreme Court, but they didn't. And we thought that this had ended. They'd stop harassing us. And then they filed this other lawsuit against us. It might be about a year ago, this coming December. I don't remember when we first got the summons. So we're in discovery. That's the phase where the plaintiffs and their attorneys, meaning the Sands Guardians, based in Mount Carmel in Haifa, Israel, and outside of Chicago, Illinois, and Wilmette, are then demanding information to gather before the pretrial. But we already gave them all the information we have back in 2010 and at the World Intellectual Property Organization in 2005, which was in Geneva. So they have all the information about what we're doing, and they're still relentless to suppress our right to teach the faith. One of the things that makes the United States of America unique is in the Declaration of Independence. It says that we are endowed by our Creator with unalienable rights. Among these are life, liberty, and the pursuit of happiness. And then in the Bill of Rights in the United States, it gives us the freedom of speech and the freedom of religion in the First Amendment. So in the United States of America, you know, we should be allowed to teach religion freely without trademarks or getting the permission of the government or other people. And this would be like some group in the United States trademarking the word Christianity or Judaism or Islam and then telling somebody that they couldn't tell other people that they were a Jew or a Christian or a Muslim. And then the word, the Universal House of Justice, this is a phrase that's in the Sacred Will and Testament of Abdulbaha, which we have been using continually without interruption since 1921 forward. And if we understand the coming of the Bab and the mission of Bahaullah as the door and the gate to open the door to the age of fulfillment, the fulfillment is the establishment of the house of the Lord, spoken of in Isaiah chapter 2, in which it says, all the nations will flow to the mountain of the house of the Lord, and they will learn war no more.